One of the questions that we're quite often asked about designing a Key Stage 3 science course is it designed for 2 years or 3 years? And one of the things that we're very aware of is that there are a variety of situations that are running in schools. That some schools run Key Stage 3 in 2 years and move pupils on relatively quickly to GCSE courses. Some schools prefer to spend longer on Key Stage 3 and to run Key Stage 3 over 3 years. And there are a number of schools in which it's a fairly flexible situation, with groups being moved from Key Stage 3 to Key Stage 4 as the situation presents itself in terms of tracking data and readiness for success at GCSE. It also seems to us as well that the situation is not only variable between schools, but is actually quite a volatile situation, that there are a number of changes that are coming along with the new programme study at Key Stage 3, which is quite a detailed and thorough treatment of what pupils should know and understand by the end of that key stage, but also with the changes at GCSE as well, with the ending of modular assessment and with the development of courses that are entirely end assessed. We wouldn't want to be in a situation whereby we assumed that schools were going to use one particular model and to stick with that model. So therefore what's happened is that we've come up with something that we believe is a very flexible system and can be used in a variety of different situations, and can be redesigned and reused in different ways if schools decide to reorganise what's going on at Key Stage 3. If you're using Collins Key Stage 3 Science and you want to use it in less than 3 years, that there are 3 ways in which it is that you can use the course to support a shorter Key Stage 3. One of the ways, this is the most obvious way, is that we've clearly identified a fast track route. That if you look in the teacher's guides, you can quite clearly see from that which of the lessons are particularly critical ones and which are the ones that are essential to be included in a condensed course. The second way in which we've made the course as flexible as possible is by having a very open structure. It's very clear to teachers looking at the teacher's guide the form and function of various different topics, the way in which lessons are set up, and many teachers can look through this structure and to select which for them the most important topics are going to be, those that they want to spend more time on and those that they want to condense or curtail. Well, the third way of going about it is to make use of the extensive assessment opportunities that we've included. And what some teachers may well want to do is to look at the responses that pupils give to assessment activities and to decide off the basis of that which of the topics it is that they want to spend longer on and which of those it is that they can very justifiably curtail and move on from. We believe that this is quite a flexible situation. We think that the situation that schools are in is likely to change over the next year or two, and therefore in response to this that we developed something that we believe can be used in a variety of situations. Whether or not at the moment you're using a 2-year Key Stage 3 or a 3-year Key Stage 3, or that you want to be able to move pupils across from Key Stage 3 to Key Stage 4 as a situation arises, we believe that we've provided something that is flexible enough and responsive enough that you can do this.